In my previous discussion, we explored the concept that our universe is perceived as fragmented, descending from a higher dimension into the complexities of the third dimension. This descent from a unified state to a fragmented reality parallels the myth of Osiris and Isis in ancient Egyptian mythology, offering us an analogy of what occurs when balance between feminine and masculine energies, yin and yang, is disrupted. The myth of Osiris unfolds as Osiris, embodying order and fertility, is dismembered by his jealous brother Set, scattering his body across the world. This fragmentation mirrors the descent from unity into the multiplicity, illustrating the chaos that ensues when cosmic harmony is disrupted. Osiris's plight symbolizes the imbalance and discord that arises when feminine wisdom and intuition, the qualities represented by Isis, are marginalized or suppressed. Set in this myth represents chaos, destruction, and the uncontrolled aspect of nature and human behavior. He embodies the darker side of the masculine forge, which is aggression, jealousy, and the desire of power without balance or consideration. Set's action serves as a stark reminder of what happens when these forces are unchecked and when the equilibrium between order and chaos is disrupted. Isis, driven by love and empowered by her wisdom and intuition, undertakes the arduous task of gathering and reassembling Osiris' scattered remains. With the assistance of her sister Nepis, symbolizing mystery and intuition, Isis used her magical prowess to restore Osiris to wholeness. This act of resurrection not only brings Osiris back to life, but elevates him to the status of a god of the afterlife, a symbol of renewal, transformation, and the restoration of cosmic order through the agency of divine feminine. Interestingly, the story of Isis and Osiris reflects ancient Egyptian belief in the cyclical nature of life, death, and rebirth, a concept central to their worldview and religious practice. The annual flooding of the Nile, vowed to agricultural fertility, was ritually linked to Osiris's death and rebirth, emphasizing the interconnectedness of natural cycles and divine mythology. But what does this myth represent for us today? It serves as a profound metaphor of the consequences of imbalance between feminine and masculine energies in our modern world. Neglecting feminine qualities such as intuition, empathy, and nurturing in favor for masculine traits like dominance and rationality can lead to a societal discord and fragmentation, akin to Osiris's disembodiment of Set. In today's context, the myth of Isis and Osiris compels us to reflect on the urgent need to integrate feminine wisdom and intuition into our societal framework. Studies in psychology and leadership underscores the importance of diverse perspective, including those traditionally associated with the feminine, in fostering innovation, harmony, and holistic decision-making. As we navigate the complexities of our world, let us heed the timeless wisdom of Isis and Osiris. By honoring and integrating the divine feminine within ourselves and our societies, we can strive towards a future where feminine and masculine energies coexist in harmonious equilibrium. This integration is not just a cultural imperative, but a pathway to restoring balance, wisdom, and unity in our fragmented world. This is Makalesi. Thanks for watching. Peace.